going to make pumpkin drawing. As you can see on the screen, I have made a pumpkin. For this, we required some materials. First, we required pencil, second pen, eraser, white A4 size paper, and color. I have used oil pastel color. First of all, we will draw the shape of pumpkin. You can see on the screen and repeat as I am doing. To subscribe my channel DoojArt for more art and craft videos. Subscribe Friends and Preparation educational channel for all educational tutorial videos. I have given link in description of this video. Now we are going to color it. First I am using orange color to give a beautiful shape of this pumpkin. To subscribe my channel Mr. Krishna Shah. I also like my video so that I get motivated and bring more tutorial video for you on this channel DoojArt. Now you can see we have filled the color. You can also give different color shape. If you are making a raw pumpkin, you can use green color.